Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the lock screen clock style on Google Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other latest Pixel device running the Android 60. By default, when you lock your phone, you can see the lock screen clock style. You can change it. This is my Google Pixel 10 device. So if you want any Pixel 10 series, you can easily change the clock style using these settings. First of all, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Here you can see the home screen. Now swipe the screen to show the lock screen option. Also swipe up and you can see the clock option. So tap on the clock. Here you can see the list of different clock style you can set on your Google Pixel 10 series. Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL. So this is the all clock style available on your device. So here we select this clock style. Now tap on the color option to change the clock color like this in your picture devices. So select the clock color. Here we select this clock color. You can also increase or decrease the brightness of a clock color like this in a Pixel 10 series to adjust it. And the last size option. Here you can see how it looks on your lock screen. So when notifications aren't visible, so when you show the notification, you can see this type of clock style on your lock screen. So this is the all lock screen clock style, lock screen clock color, or lock screen clock size on your Google Pixel 10 series. Or when you set the default, you can see clock face with increase or decrease size like this. This is only available in the default clock style on your device. Now select the clock style, clock color and size you want on your device and tap on apply button at the top right corner to apply the lock screen clock style. Now lock your phone and you can see change the clock style on the lock screen on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also hype it if you like this new feature. Thanks for watching this.